Hey. No, Sally. Back off. Back off, Sally. Annie. You're okay. Julie, you back off too. Go on, go on, go on. No. Get away, get away. Hey, Annie. Look at you with your eyes opening. Hey. Hi, baby. Oh. It's time for you to eat. I can see your little ribs. You ready for lunch? Hmm? His eyes are finally starting to open. And he's getting bigger. Yeah. Who is this mean person that wipes my butt? Hey. Oh, look at that cute face.
Yeah, that cute face you say. I think I know where my nuts are. They're in the cave. Where was everything else?